Today we are visiting the Golden Valley Light Railway based at the Midland Railway Centre at Butterley. We are featuring steam, diesel and a quick tour around the shed. Here is the Holwell Castle built in 1961. Here's the beautifully restored Ashover Light Railway coach number 4. Originally built in 1924, it ran on the Ashover Light Railway until 1937. After that, it spent many years grounded on the Clay Cross Works bowling green until in 2007, the Golden Valley Light Railway acquired it and restored it to how you see it today. Let's have a little look inside. As you can see, they've done a beautiful job of restoring it on the inside as well as the outside. They've even drilled holes in the seats to create a pattern. The Ashover Light Railway originally had 4 coaches, 3 that have survived, this one, number 4, and 2 others that are at the Lincolnshire Coast Light Railway. You can see them on our 2 Lincolnshire Coast Light Railway videos. The Golden Valley Light Railway runs on almost 1 mile of track and runs through the country park. I managed to have a look outside the back of the shed. I also managed to have a look inside, but I can't tell you much about it because I haven't learnt it yet. But I do know that Darcy's a Bagley jury and that they are Festiniog coaches. Here's a quick look around the shed. This 040 well tank loco was built by Orenstein and Koppel of Germany and completed in the early part of 1914. It was restored over a 20-year period. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our little visit to the Golden Valley Light Railway.